off with a little video because I always forget. So we're off on the adventure now. Okay, we're at the storage unit. I'll pick up some wood so we can fix the roof. Long halls of society and all the secrets buried there. Going to this storage unit always reminds me of this song. Stuff. What am I doing that? Most of this is tools. Alright. We're going to go to Cooper's Woodshop and then we're going to go to the other woodshop, second use, and get some new stainless handles for the van. Okay, back from the shop and we're gonna go to Golden Gardens. Okay, back from the shop and we're gonna go to Golden Gardens and install all these parts that we got. Let's roll. Okay, we're leaving second use. Downtown. Looks like there's a game going on. People out tonight. Today, it's only 3 o'clock. And we're gonna head up to the park and do some hanging out, get some shit done, and yeah. So, apparently I'm catching all the fucking red lights today, and I just slammed on the brakes. All the shit went flying. Welcome to van life. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Look at all this mess. Jesus. Okay. I gotta clean this up.